Good Tuesday, February 13th. Welcome to the vlog. If you're joining for the first time, please consider subscribing. Really need people to join to keep this channel going. But day before Valentine's Day, visiting one of my favorite places. The fan went out on my bubble for the Camaro, and seeing how it just kind of looks like a computer fan, I'm gonna see if they don't have one so I can get that bubble inflated again. Oh, that was a fail. Appears computer fans only blow 45 CFM and I need 190. So 2 lows. Let's look at some stuff. I don't know. Yeah, you know it, at Walmart again. I'm gonna try to get some little chocolate and some flowers for the fiance. Surprise her tomorrow after work. She's starting a new job and doing the orientation, and she's totally not expecting me for Valentine's Day. So, let's get something nice. Alright, so I am saved big time. When she came over to help me pack, I promised her some of these strawberry and cream Lindor truffles, and she couldn't find any at her local Walmart, and I couldn't find them. But look, oh my god, and they're even in a heart. So I bought 3 of them. So that should make up for me not getting them in the first place. Alright, I guess next stop, work tomorrow and then to her house to surprise Valentine. Alright, happy Valentine's Day. I am on my surprise mission down to the fiance's house. I think you can see I got some flowers back there. In the cooler, I got the chocolate I bought last night. We are good to go. Now we just got to get over there. Good Thursday, February the 15th. You know, every motorist's kind of worst thing. See him? Yeah. Just as long as he doesn't turn on his lights on good. The sheriff's deputy behind me in one of those Explorers. Ooh, but anyhow, man, great day yesterday, great Valentine's Day. Totally surprised my fiance. She was kind of hoping I might show up, but she's like, because I never text her or anything like that, she really didn't think. So, man, great time, man. Yeah. So, heading back home. I got a meeting with my realtor to get my house put on the market. So I'm going to get a little cleaning done and get some packing done. And we'll see where we go from there. Man, that's one big bike rack, ain't it? Oh man, my late wife had a trike that we had built, and so whenever we went riding, I needed a way to haul my bike as well. And I've been using the trailer to move, so it was just easier for me to mount the bike to that than take the hitch out and put the bike rack on. But oh my god, it is what, Friday, February something. 20, 14, 15, 16, 17. Anyway, busy friggin'. I took Thursday and Friday off from work. Of course, did Valentine's Day Wednesday with the fiance. Got back to my house a little bit late. Moved some stuff around. Did a little light cleaning because I had the realtor to meet with about posting my house. And then this morning I slept in a little bit. Definitely needed the rest. But it's been all day about just scheduling stuff. I'm not going to get into it because I know you don't want to hear about it. But between buying a house, doing stuff on that end, and selling my house on this end, oh my god, it is. I cannot wait for this to be over. I am like freaking worn out. And the best part is I took 2 days off and I still haven't gotten anything packed yet. So, I feel really ashamed. It's been like all year. I think the last time I rode was like December. So, as far as this year goes, I haven't ridden the bike at all. And that's really a shame. something I really love to do, and I'm making some time out of today because the weather's finally warmed up. It's probably like 72, maybe 75. It's really warm. This great big shiny thing in the skies finally appeared after 2 or 3 weeks of hiding, and I'm gonna do a little something for me, something that I love to do, and we're gonna go hit this trail and enjoy the ride. Did I catch it on tape? Oh man, that hurt. Oh man, it took me 38 minutes to ride this trail. Now my best time was 27 minutes. My average is only like 7 miles an hour, which is really pathetic. I should be at least at 10 to 12. But man, you know, we'll get there. That's what happens. You take like 2 months break and you just try to jump right back in it. So anyway, I don't know how many people are into mountain bikes and that, but this is my rig. It's a Specialized camber. It's full carbon fiber bike. The rims are carbon fiber too. They're Shimano XTR. All my components, my brakes, shifters, cranks, everything's Shimano XTR. My handlebar stem, seat post is by Ritchie. I also have a carbon fiber seat by Physique, however you say it. And Sid front forks. And I got Time ATAC pedals. Oh, RockShox Monarch back shock. So there it is, man. This is one of my loves in life is cycling. Haven't been doing it much, been too far back and forth, so hopefully we get in this house, get settled, and I can get back into doing this and some good car videos. I'll put some catnip on my hand and mess with the cats. This sucks. My capsule for the Camaro deflated, and we had some storms, and the ground fall outlet popped, so all the capsules deflated, and there was some water back here. You can kind of see by the mud, and the fan went kind of face down in the water, and it worked for a couple of days, and it died. So I ordered a brand new fan because I tried out this transformer right here. I put and it had power. Now all of a sudden it decides it doesn't want to work at all. So now I have to order another transformer. Damn it! This is it's aggravating. Check that out. If you can see it, this is why I always keep transformers. 12 volt, 1000 milliamp, 12 volt, 1000 milliamp. Negatives on the outside. At worst case, if that plug don't match, I can always cut it to fit. But damn, I think it will fit. Shit. Ha! Look at that. Look, links us. All right. It's alive. Yes. Look Get this air circulating so the humidity doesn't get into there. Good to go. Look at that. You just see the chin of that beautiful 50. Now that's a friggin' load. That's just from my upstairs. I still don't have it emptied out, and my back is freaking killing me. So, but my dad let me borrow this crazy webbing stuff, so I shouldn't be losing any lids off of these things, and should be good. Oh man, ooh, sorry. Saturday, February 17th, man, got another load to the storage unit. Gave the orange pumpkin here a quick bath because, man, it was filthy. Still dirty on the inside, but man, the front wheels were like black. But oh man, I think I'll go see the fiance tonight after I get this loaded up. So I'm not sure if I end the vlog here and start the next one, or have to see. Alright, to the storage unit. Alright everyone, I kind of had a different idea for wrapping up this vlog, but the incidents, the shooting in Florida kind of changed the way I'm going to do this. And I know it's a little bit late, this happened probably a week ago. I don't vlog daily, but I just kind of feel important. I just wanted to add my deepest condolences to anybody that knows or lost anybody in that incident. If you happen to watch this channel, seriously, man, I do know the pain, and I know for you that maybe this happened a week ago, but it don't feel like a week, and it's gonna take some time. And then I heard that a lot when I lost my wife. You know, everybody telling me time, and I really got tired of hearing that. And that's really all the advice I ever got. So I mean, you're just gonna have to feel it on your own, and you know, you will get over it. You know, I know people will tell you that, but you know, I did lose someone really near and dear to me, not the way you did, but it was very sudden, and I do feel and share your pain, and my condolences. I mean, it's horrible. I mean, it's horrible we have to talk about this stuff, but anyways, I just want to end the vlog with that. Really sucks to have to, but you know, I just want to put that out there. So again, I'm very sorry, and you know, hopefully we can stop this nonsense. But anyway, you know, if you're joining the channel for the first time, please subscribe. You know, YouTube's kind of hurting us small guys. Really got to build this thing up to over 1,000 subs so you can get recognized by them anymore. So please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. You know, I'm in the middle of a move right now, and it's almost 11 o'clock at night. It's Monday, and I'm trying to get this thing out, and I'll probably be up for another good hour cutting, you know, at least an hour cutting all this stuff together. And just because I don't have any music or time lapses to add in here too, it's going to save me a bit of time, and I know it's less interesting, but I do promise when I get moved to settle in, you know, I will get to some better content. But I'm still trying to throw a lot of car stuff in there. I think next video coming up, I got some Grand National action in there, and you know, I'm gonna see where life takes me. So again, thank you everyone for the support. Really does mean a lot. Please subscribe. Please, you know, can't thank enough the groups that's joined recently, and you know, my longtime supporters. So thanks, and look forward to the next video.